Hey, Brian from Rechargeable. Today I have this LED source projector, battery powered and Wi-Fi, so you can connect your phone or any other type of devices to this. So let's open up, see everything, and we get inside. And then I'll set up here in the studio. I have a projector that we can bring down and we can take a look at the clarity and see how everything is on that. But it looks like, so that is the projector. Packed really well. And then this is, I guess, the power and the accessories and everything else. So let's get that situated over here. Okay, so in here we get some more stuff. I'm just trying to keep things neat as we go. So here is the remote control that comes with that. So pretty neat. So we'll open that up. I'm sure we're going to have to use that in the process. And it looks like it takes 2 AAA batteries. From what I see, not included, so you have to make sure you have that on hand. And then this is the power supply. So we'll plug that in. And since this has its own battery on board, we'll get that charging. And then it looks like it has some protective film on the lens. So we'll pull that out. So and then here, another piece of foam. And then so this is how this rotates. And then that will kind of give you an idea. So you have a USB adapter there, HDMI. That's your power button. That's your power supply that plugs into that. So I have a laptop here. We're going to try it out on the HDMI as well, as long as I have the right cables, which I think I do. And then we'll plug this in and get that kind of going a little bit. So it looks like that is a, so you can zoom in and out so you can get that right where you need it, what size. And then it looks like that has a power switch. You can tell that has some power on there. We're going to turn that off and then basically just let this charge up for a little bit, and then we will we'll come back and we'll see how it works on the projection screen. Oh, and here is your booklet. So this will go over everything they have here. Oh, it also has a headset jack. So pretty neat. And your settings and applications and network settings and all that stuff is there. So I'll kind of go over all that stuff with you as we go through it. And so again, we'll go over that a little bit more as we start hooking everything up, and then we go from there. So stay tuned. Okay, so we have the projector set up. We got the remote, we got the batteries in the remote. And basically this is the power button that turns it on. So we have it turned on, and that is the screen that you have. And we have some lights on here so we're not like bouncing into each other. But so on the remote, you basically, this will control what's on the screen and where you can do all your settings. So that is your HDMI. So if I had a laptop, I'd have that plugged right into the HDMI port. Well, let's go to settings. And then you have a couple different things that you can change on here. So we're going to go to network settings. And we're going to look for our Wi-Fi so it's on. Or you can do Bluetooth. Okay, so for safety reasons, I can't go in and show you my network settings. But that is basically where you're going to go. And pretty cool, if you click on the mouse button, you get kind of control over the mouse. And then that's going to be your return button to go back to your different things. So we'll connect to YouTube. Okay, so this is YouTube, and obviously my videos, so I don't have to worry about any copyright images or issues. So this is just kind of a video. It does have a speaker, and you do have some control over the volume on that. So obviously decent that you can listen, and it's got great clarity. And obviously you can hook it up to an external speaker as well. But yeah, so that's my video. This is your projector. And Brian from Rechargeable. Oh, let me show you this. So it is battery powered, so you can bring this pretty much anywhere once it's charged up and you're good to go. But anyway, Brian from Rechargeable Hall, thanks for watching and be safe out there.